Hey guys, this is something that I've been doing on and off all season. It's something that I'm going to implement next season, like fully with the CyberRev teams. Basically, this is coming from our match against whatever the Core Gaming. I forget what they're called. This is us, and it's something I've been doing this for quite some time now. But you know, basically what it is, when our players are in clutch situations, I'll put a money bet. Right now, you see Disclosure is the guy that's playing. He's in a 1v3 right now, and I told him if he wins this clutch, I'll give him $30 because it's 1v3, $10 per player. And I'll show you guys what happened. Sorry that I'm using my headset here, but
I'm pretty sure he did.
or my, what do you call it?
Oh my god. And you he's gonna free fire. Told you. So I don't wanna fucking kick it.
And he won it. So the 4 spectators and the other team here must have realized what the hell this was when people were mentioning $30. What the hell? So that's pretty much what we've been doing. It's something we're going to be doing all next season with our teams. They're going to be able to earn quite a bit of cash actually just by winning clutches and stuff like that. I'm going to set the rules down before we start next season and see how that goes. Alright, since ESE is down, I got nothing else to do. I'm going to tease my dog and turn on the Roomba, see how he reacts to it. He knows the neighbor's dog is outside and he wants to go play, but I'm not going to let him because he gets really annoying. So we will let him play with the Roomba, kind of, and see where that goes. Anytime ready. Anytime ready. Let's go. Anxiety. Let's go. I'll close the door. Here. What's wrong? Oh, you robot. Oh, you robot. He's jumping on me. You're a pussy. Putting home or what?
It's so stupid though, it's really stupid. Sometimes it goes all the way over there and then all the way back.
Yeah.